Windshield sunshade. Rear seat left and right triangular sun visors. These are the 8 sunshades for the entire car. First, let's install the sunshades for the rear triangular area. After determining which side is left and which is right, install it with one side of the graphene facing outward. Next, install the trunk sunshade. In this case as well, one side of the graphene is facing outward. First, hook the very end of the car door onto it. Then hang them on both sides of the middle section. Finally, hang them on the 2 corners at the bottom of the car door. Install the sunshades for the left and right rear windows. Distinguish between left and right. Place the sunshade directly over the car window. Pull the entire sunshade down all the way to the top. Close the car door, and then pull the excess fabric at the bottom down to smooth it out. Use the same method on the other side. Installing sunshades for the driver's and passenger's windows. Just make sure you have the left and right side straight. Then slide them onto the car window. Installing a windshield sunshade. With the side without text facing out, first slip the sunshade over the rear view mirror. Lower the sun visor on one side, and secure one side of the sunshade to the edge of the visor using Velcro. Simply tuck the bottom of the sunshade into the gap at the base of the windshield to secure it in place. The Velcro on the other side is also attached to the edge of the panel. Finally, adjust and secure each part in place.